Hey team, not sure what's going on now. Seem to have, here I am. Okay, I want to talk to you about inverse operations today. Just to give you a little recap and to remind you about how straightforward it is and what a great skill, what a great technique it is for solving problems with unknown numbers. So let's have a think. Right, what's the opposite of cold? Hot. Cold. What's the opposite of up? Down. What's the opposite of adding? Putting things together, getting more, taking stuff away, getting less. So, how can we use this to solve questions, particularly math sentences that have got missing numbers? Today, you're going to see some pyramids like this in the figure it out activity. I'm just going to get rid of that because you need to be able to see the numbers. So, when you first look at this, you think, well, how on earth am I supposed to figure out what goes in those three empty boxes? And the answer is using inverse operations. So I need to make it smaller so that I can actually type in the boxes. Something happens to 6 to make it 13. So if a number's getting bigger, it means we're adding something on, right? 6 is getting, there's 6 things to start with, and now there's more things here, adding on. 13, something's happening to 13, that means we end up with 6. We're going to need to take things away from 13 to end up with 6. So how many do we take away from 13 to make 6? Because this is what's going to go on this square here. I know that 6 plus 6 is 12. 6 plus 6 is 12. So I'm going to need one more, which means that I need 7. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. And from here, it is really straightforward because the 7 and the 8 need to be added together to find out what goes in here. And I know that 7 and 7 is 14, so 7 and 8 must be 15. And now we add those two together to find out what our top block on our pyramid is. 13 and 15 is, my favourite number, 28. So by working backwards here, we were able to figure out what this missing number is, and then we just moved forwards to find what these two missing numbers are. I've used low single-digit numbers here, smaller numbers for us to work on. In your task today, the numbers are much bigger. But that's okay, because you've got number knowledge skills. You've also got the option of using a calculator, because today's focus is on using addition and subtraction to help support your problem solving, not being able to magic numbers up. So use the skills and strategies that you have and use the tools available to you as well. I'm going to run a workshop. So anyone who wants some extra help, even just to start with, even if you want to come and hang out for a bit until you feel more confident, then I would love that. And you can meet me on the carpet where I will be waiting for you. Looking forward to seeing room 7 full of problem solvers.